My experience is compelling companies always outperform. They get the lion's share of the rewards. And a lot of that is because we've done a good job of creating clarity inside the business. There's been survey after survey after survey, but then we sent people home and they've spent a lot of time with their family and they had a lot of white space to think. And they started to think, you know what? Is this really what this is all about? Is this everything that needs to be here? And they started to reevaluate lots of pieces on their life, which is why it's super critical in today's environment to give people really clearly, here's the vision, here's the mission we're on, and here are the values. Here's how you can expect to be treated inside our company. My experience is compelling companies always outperform. They get the lion's share of the rewards. And a lot of that is because we've done a good job of creating clarity inside the business. And so what is it that you're doing to create your community on the mission? So it's up to you as a leader inside your business to really create that environment where people go, I love turning up to work. I love the work that I do, right? It's so compelling that people would say, I can't believe that people pay me to come do this. This is amazing.